Urgent sale. Suzuki Alto VXR 2007 white petrol, just buy and drive. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a budget family car, a fuel-efficient hatchback, or a reliable Suzuki Alto for daily use, then today's video is made especially for you. In this video, I'm showing you a Suzuki Alto VXR 2007 model, available for urgent sale in Karachi. This car is a great option for people who want a low-maintenance car, easy city driving, and affordable running cost. Let's start with the basic details. This is a Suzuki Alto VXR 2007 model, finished in a white color, which is always in demand in the used car market. White color gives a clean look and is easy to maintain. The car is running on petrol, and the AC is working, making it suitable for daily driving in city traffic and hot weather conditions. Now let's talk about the condition of the car. The car is in 50% touch-up condition, which is very normal for a car of this age. Structurally, the car is solid and well maintained. The overall condition is 100% mechanically, meaning the car is fully functional and ready to drive without any major work required. The engine performance is good, the drive is smooth, and the car is perfect for daily use, office commute, and family errands. Suzuki Alto is known for its reliability, low fuel consumption, and easy availability of spare parts, which makes it one of the most popular small cars in Pakistan. This Alto comes with new tyres installed, which is a big plus point for buyers. New tyres mean better road grip, safer driving, and no extra expense after purchase. You can simply buy the car and start driving immediately. Another important point is documents. The car has clear documents, which gives peace of mind to buyers. Paperwork is one of the most important things when buying a used car, and this Suzuki Alto comes with complete and clear documents, making the transfer process easy. Now let's talk about why Suzuki Alto is such a popular choice. Suzuki Alto is one of the most searched cars in Pakistan because of its excellent fuel average, low maintenance cost, easy spare parts availability, smooth city drive, affordable price. Whether you are a first-time car buyer, a student, a small family, or someone looking for a secondary car, Suzuki Alto VXR is always a smart choice. This car is especially ideal for daily office travel, city driving in traffic, budget-conscious buyers, people looking for a reliable small car, new drivers. If you are searching on YouTube or Google for Suzuki Alto for sale in Karachi, Suzuki Alto VXR 2007, budget cars in Pakistan, used Suzuki Alto, small family car, then this video is exactly what you need to watch. Now let's talk about the price and location. Money bag demand, 7.50 Lac PKR. Round pushpin location, Karachi. Considering the model, condition, new tyres, working AC, and clear documents, the demand is reasonable and market competitive. Suzuki Alto cars in good mechanical condition are always in demand, especially in big cities like Karachi. This is an urgent sale, so serious buyers are encouraged to contact quickly. If you are genuinely interested, don't wait too long because budget cars like this usually sell fast. Before ending the video, let me summarize everything clearly. This is a Suzuki Alto VXR 2007, white color, petrol, AC working, 50% touch-up condition, mechanically 100%, new tires installed, documents clear, and ready to drive. It's a simple, reliable, and economical car for daily use. White right pointing backhand index. For more details, inspection, or final discussion, please contact inbox. If you found this video helpful, thumbs up sign like the video. Repeat button share it with friends or family. Bell subscribe to the channel. On this channel, we regularly upload videos about used cars for sale in Pakistan, budget cars, urgent car sale deals, family cars, fuel-efficient vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Contact inbox for complete details.